Hello, welcome to Unit 4 instructions. First off, let me congratulate you on successfully completing the first 3 units of this course. Now, as we enter Unit 4, we'll be looking at child development with the transition to adolescence. So for Unit 4, you will be reading modules 6 and 7, as well as reviewing the PowerPoints for each of these modules. You'll be completing various assignments. Please make sure that is done by the due date so that you avoid any point deductions. And then you will be finishing the course with the submission of your thought paper, as well as Unit 4 exam. So as you get ready to jump into Unit 4, let me tell you that the focus here will be on middle childhood and adolescence. So it's important to remember that childhood ends with the production of mature sex cells. We have seen that for various reasons, the female of the species tends to be entering puberty or the production of mature sex cells earlier. Sometimes we see females starting menstruation as early as 9 years old. On the other hand, males of this species tend to be entering puberty or the production of mature sex cells closer to around 12 years of age. So, once the body is able to produce mature sex cells, we start to see other physiological changes in the brain. And we also start to see changes in relationships and emotions. So one major shift that takes place with the end of middle childhood and the entrance into puberty is social referencing to the peer group. Here we see that as children make the transition from childhood to adolescence, they tend to rely on their same age peers, as well as engage in opposite sex relationships, more so than relying on family. One last interesting point about adolescence is the amount of research that has been dedicated in the West to understanding identity. There are multiple theories, most based in early Freudian work, that look to understand a crisis that occurs in the West amongst adolescents as they struggle to find their unique place. Now, we don't always see this in other cultures around the world, where children are expected to end childhood and enter adulthood at a much quicker pace. Okay, congratulations, and I look forward to the completion of your assignments for this module.